Hello guys, welcome to episode 4 of Reviews and Real Talk. So for this episode we have a product which every rider must have. Not exactly this product but the category of product which every rider must have, which is a tire inflator. आप राइडिंग पे जाते हो, टायर पंक्चर हो जाए, we have to look for a puncture shop and it's not always that वहाँ पे शॉप होगा. So sometimes we have to take care of those things. So in that case a puncture kit is a must have thing. And puncture kit, पंक्चर हुआ, आपने पंक्चर निकाला बट बाद में उसमें हवा कैसे भरोगे? So that for that you need to have a tire inflator with you. So the product which we have today is this AGARO Regal jump starter with tire inflator. So this is a 2-in-1 product actually. So let's first unbox it. क्या क्या आता है इसमें वो देखते हैं and then we will talk about why to go with this. And also we will talk about like before having this product what I used, what I experienced and what are my thoughts on all that. So as usual and as name suggests, it's gonna be a pure real talk. So this is non-sponsored video first of all. So this is the product which we have, AGARO Regal jump starter. It got a 10,000 mAh battery, and as you can see like there are 4 different modes: car, bicycle, bike, motorbike, and like play ball, football, volleyball kind of thing. It got 1 year replacement warranty and bunch of other things. I think everything emergency. It got 10,000 mAh battery, emergency lighting, fast inflation and auto shut off. So we will talk about auto shut off later. So let's open this. So inside it we first got a pouch in which we can carry it, so we don't have to carry this box. Here it's actual machine. On a size perspective it's comparatively big जो बाकी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है उससे, but let me get back on that point later. Let's keep it aside. और बॉक्स में क्या क्या है देखते हैं. We have warranty card and a user manual 2-in-1. मैंने फ्लिपकार्ट से खरीदी है, so it's not filled. I can use the Flipkart invoice. And inside this we have the extra attachment. So as it's a jump starter as well, so this is a jump start cable. We have a tire inflation cable. We have a few attachment for a different use, like जैसे इस पे था बाइक, बाइसिकल, फुटबॉल वगैरह, उसके लिए different attachments है. And at last we have this USB A to USB C charging cable. So this got USB C. So this is the device. If I long press the power button, it turns on, displays everything, and like yesterday night only I used it, so it's on bike mode and 32. So you got a emergency light over here, a type C port and a USB A port. Both are in. This one is in and out and this is out port, so you can use it as a power bank as well. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank. This is where you will connect the tire inflation cable. So this is the cable which goes here and the other end goes to your tire. So this is on the top side. On the side there is nothing, on the back there is nothing, just a vent. On this side also, and on the bottom there is again another vent, and this is where the jump starter cable gets connected. So this is the jump starter cable which we get in the box, and for the connection you got a flat on one side. So on this you can get the direction. So this is how it connects, and like as soon as you connect it, it starts blinking. Once you connect these two ports to your bike battery or the car battery, this blinking stops and it shows the whether the connection is successful or not. It depends on red light or green light. If it's a green light, you can try starting your bike or a car. If it's a red light, you just need to disconnect and reconnect, or from here as well as from here. So try one by one. If it gets solved by this disconnecting and reconnecting this, you don't need to disconnect and reconnect this thing. So this is the jump starter thing. So let's disconnect for a bit on our display side. Yeah, so let me return. So this is the function, like while I was showing it, it automatically turns off after some time if there is no use detected. So that's again a battery saving feature. In this we have a mode button, so I press this, it changes the mode. So we have a play ball, basketball, football kind of thing. We have a bicycle, we have a motorbike, we have a car, and this is a custom option, so you can customize as per your needs. Plus minus is just to change the pressure, required pressure, the PSI pressure. And this is the emergency light button or the torch button. So this operates the light over the here. So we got the plain white mode, red SOS mode, and a faster SOS mode. That's 3 modes we have. So this comes in handy if there is a puncture at the night. We can use the white light to figure out the things, and red light comes in handy if we need any help in that case. So that's about the machine. Now let's talk why I went with this machine. So before this I was having the AGARO Galaxy tire inflator. So this was the device which I had previously. This was working great, there was no complaint at all, but there was only one issue. This is just a tire inflator. Like all the modes which we had, apart from custom mode, all the other 4 modes, the air unit is also, it had a different 4 units, bar, PSI, KPA, kg per cubic meter. So the emergency light thing, the different attachment, type C port, everything it had. But only one thing it was missing is the jump starter thing. I have a car, so my battery went dead twice. So for the both time I had to call RSA. Luckily I had a free RSA. So they came, they jump started the car. And also for a 2 ride, for two different ride, we had a issue that one of our rider buddy's bike went out of juice. Battery went out of juice. So luckily we had a connecting cables, so we used another bike's battery to jumpstart that. But this is not recommended actually. It can damage both of the bikes. मतलब अगर same bike हो different bike हो, it doesn't matter. There are chances that it will hamper both of the bikes batteries. So it's not recommended. But उस time पे हमारे पास option नहीं था. We were at remote place, मतलब remote नहीं थे, but at the timing was like कि we can't do anything. We will not get any shop or anything. So that's why we did it. But thinking of all those scenario, I went with the Regal, so which have the jump started as well. So my thought was to have this existing product, AGARO Galaxy product as it is, and I looked for the jump starter, which was again AGARO jump starter, because मैंने AGARO use किया था, तो kind of a trust हुआ था. And I compared with few other branded tire inflator as well on internet as well as in person as well. But मुझे एक advantage लगा कि when the device is off, it doesn't consume the battery, and on a one charge it can easily inflate more number of tires than the other devices available in the market. So that's why I went with the AGARO. And the other choice, like for the tire inflation, tire inflator we already got. For the jump starter thing, I had this AGARO Primo device. So this is the device. So first I thought of taking 2 devices, like I already had the Galaxy, just bought a Primo and have the jump start issue solved. But मैंने फिर travel के time पे, like when we are traveling when we are riding bike, कार में तो कुछ इशू नहीं, कार में we have enough space, we can keep both the devices, but on a bike डिवाइस साइज ऑल्सो मैटर, लाइक कितना कॉम्पैक्ट हम कैरी कर सकते हैं वगैरह ये चीज़ें. सो इफ़ आई हैव टू कैरी बोथ द डिवाइसेस, इंडिविजुअली डिवाइसेस छोटे हैं, बट इफ़ आई कंबाइन बोथ द डिवाइसेस आई नीड मोर स्पेस इन माई बैग्स. सो दैट्स वेयर आई थॉट ऑफ गोइंग फॉर द रिगाल. सो रिगाल इज़ लाइक कंपैरेटिवली, अगर मैं दोनों को साथ में कंपेयर करूँ, रिगाल स्टैंड्स आउट एज अ कॉम्पैक्ट डिवाइस. सो दैट्स वाई आई वेंट विद द रिगाल. हमने एक पंक्चर भी सॉल्व किया इसको यूज़ करके. मेरा डेली लाइफ का, घर के सारे कार, बाइक, मोपेड सबका टायर इन्फ्लेशन इसी से मैं कर रहा हूँ. सो ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड है. यू कैन ब्लाइंडली गो फॉर दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट्स ऑल आई थिंक अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. इफ़ यू वांट टू परचेज दिस प्रोडक्ट, बोथ अमेजोन एंड फ्लिपकार्ट पे अवेलेबल है. बोथ लिंक्स आर अटैच to my video. Both links are available in my description. If you want to buy it, you can refer those links. It helps me to get some commission as well. And this is not a sponsored video, so this is what I felt, I experienced, and what I want other riders to use on the basis of my trust. So that's what we do in our reviews and real talk. So that's all for this episode. We will meet soon on the next episode, probably on the next ride or any series which we are already continuing on the Code to Road. Till then, goodbye, take care and ride safe guys.